This simple guide will show you how to reduce churn using HubSpot. Churn, or the rate at which customers stop doing business with you, can be a significant challenge. But with the right tools and strategies, you can effectively minimize it. Today, I'll walk you through how to use HubSpot's property settings to create a scoring system that helps you identify at risk customers and take proactive steps to retain them. First, you'll want to navigate to the right location in HubSpot to set this up. Start by heading over to the Settings menu. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Objects. Click on it and then proceed to Properties. This is where you'll manage all the property settings that we'll be working with today. Once you're in the Property section, you'll notice a button that says Create Property. Go ahead and click on that. This is the first step in setting up your scoring system. It's a straightforward process, but let's make sure we get it right. After clicking Create Property, you'll be prompted to select an object type. Here, you have a couple of options depending on your focus. You can choose either contact or company. If your primary concern is individual customer retention, go with contact. If you're focusing on business clients, then company might be more appropriate. Choose the one that aligns best with your strategy. Next up, you'll need to select a field type. For our purposes, we're going to choose Score. The Score field type is crucial because it allows us to quantify customer engagement and satisfaction through various attributes, which is key in predicting churn. Now comes the part where you customize your scoring system. You'll need to define your positive and negative attributes. Positive attributes might include actions like frequent logins, recent purchases, or engagement with your content. These are indicators that a customer is satisfied and likely to stick around. On the flip side, negative attributes could be things like a lack of interaction, no recent purchases, or negative feedback. These might suggest that a customer is at risk of leaving. As you define these attributes, think carefully about what behaviors are most indicative of loyalty or dissatisfaction in your customer base. This scoring system is a powerful tool, but its effectiveness depends on how accurately it reflects real-world customer behaviors. Once you've set up your attributes, HubSpot will automatically begin calculating scores for your contacts or companies based on these criteria. This scoring system provides a clear picture of which customers are thriving and which ones might need a little extra attention. Remember, reducing churn isn't just about identifying at-risk customers. It's about taking action. Use these scores to prioritize outreach, offer special deals, or personalize communication to re-engage those who might be slipping away. By consistently monitoring these scores, you can maintain a proactive approach to customer retention. And there you have it. With HubSpot's powerful tools and a well thought out scoring system, you're well on your way to reducing churn and keeping your customers happy and engaged. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and best of luck in your efforts to enhance customer retention.